Surfshark VPN affiliate program signup. Now, if you're looking to earn money by promoting one of the top VPN services in the industry, the Surfshark VPN affiliate program is a great opportunity. Surfshark is a well-known VPN provider offering strong security, unlimited device connections, and fast speeds. Their affiliate program allows marketers, bloggers, and content creators to earn commissions for referring new customers through their services. Basically, in this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of signing up for the Surfshark VPN affiliate program and on how you can maximize your earning for their program right here. And so the first step is navigating through the Surfshark affiliate page. It is surfshark.com/affiliate. Now, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check them out. If you cannot go ahead and see it on your web browser, you can just head over to your search engine like Google Chrome, search for the Surfshark VPN affiliate program sign up, and from here you want to click on the official website. Basically, once inside, you will then go ahead and see all of the details that you have to know on their affiliate page. Now, before signing up, you want to take some time to understand how the program works. And so basically, if we scroll down, we can see some affiliate program details like competitive 40% revenue share on new sales, affiliate cookie duration that lasts 30 days, minimum payout of $100, and lastly, it's available on Tunes, Impact, Radius, Event, CJ, Flyer, Awen, and more. Scrolling down even further has some additional setups right here, like on how you can get started, how to boost your earnings, and more. And so to proceed, you simply want to click on Become an Affiliate button. From there, it will then take you to this page where it will then ask us on what type of account we are signing up, our address, city, country, state, zip code, and lastly, phone number. So if you have a company, just go ahead and click on your company right here. But if you're doing this from your personal ventures, you can just click on the personal option. So just go ahead and fill out the necessary information for the first step. Right after, it will then ask us on our user details like first name, last name, title, email, creating a password, and lastly, you have to go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions with Surfshark, and you have to hereby consent and follow the use of my and or my company's information, including sharing with a third party to access, detect, prevent, or otherwise enable detection and prevention of malicious, invalid, or unlawful activity. Now, you have to go ahead and seriously read about the terms and conditions before signing up to their affiliate program right here. And lastly, for the last step, it will then ask us on how we can go ahead and promote their services. So in here, the first question is going to be, where did you hear about the Surfshark affiliate program? So in your case, if this is your first time hearing about it, you can just go ahead and type something like YouTube. And just below that, it will then ask you on how you will drive traffic to Surfshark. If you're owning something like your own website, social media, paid ads, promotion, email, you can just go ahead and select that right here. Now, since the social media promotion is the most common way in order to promote affiliate links, let's just click on the social media option right here. Right below that, you have link to your website or channel that you plan to promote Surfshark on. Now, if you have a Facebook account, just go ahead and paste your Facebook link, Instagram link, YouTube channel, and more inside this specific section right here. And just below that, you have which products are you planning to promote. Basically, Surfshark offers different products like VPN, Incogni, and antivirus. Now, since VPN is one of their top services, I'll click on VPN right here. Do you plan to drive traffic throughout mobile apps, advertising, user apps, flyer? In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on no. And from there, we then have to click on the submit button. From there, this message will show up where our application is currently being reviewed. Basically, after submitting the application, Surfshark's affiliate team will review our details. The approval process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days. Now, if approved, you will basically receive an email letter confirmation with further instructions on how you can go ahead and log in your account. Now, basically, once approved, you can log in your account into Surfshark Affiliate dashboard. Now, this is where you'll find your unique referral links that you can go ahead and promote and share, tracking tools to monitor clicks, signups, and conversions. You have marketing materials like banners, images, and pre-written content that you can go ahead and use to post on your social media or channel. You have commission reports to track your earnings. And from there, we can then go ahead and start promoting Surfshark VPN. Now it's time to start earning. Here are some of the ways to promote Surfshark's VPN effectively. First, you have to write blog posts or product reviews about Surfshark's benefits. You can then go ahead and create YouTube videos comparing Surfshark with other VPNs. You can then share affiliate links in tech-related forums and social media posts. You can run paid ads targeting users looking for a VPN solution. And the key is to basically focus on the SEO-friendly and high-converting traffic sources to maximize your referrals. Now, for one of the last step, which is to track performance and optimize your strategy. You can basically use the affiliate dashboard to monitor your performance and optimize your own strategy. You want to test different marketing approaches to see what drives the most signups and adjust accordingly. Now, in conclusion, Surfshark VPN affiliate program is an excellent way to earn passive income while promoting a trusted VPN service. By following these steps, you can sign up, get approved, and start generating commissions. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or a digital marketer, Surfshark provides all the tools you need to succeed in the affiliate marketing world. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today and start earning commissions with Surfshark. And basically, if you're having some hard times creating your own blogs or articles for your promotions or affiliate links, you can just navigate through their official website, click on the resources button, and from here we have different blogs and articles for something like cybersecurity, all about VPN, internet censorship, entertainment, news, and more. Now, you can just go ahead and take some ideas right here that you can go ahead and use to promote your own affiliate link. And so guys, once again, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below. So make sure to check it out. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. And as always, thank you.